Yeah, welcome to Mass Teaching Studio. Children, today we are going to start new chapter factorization, class 8 ICSE syllabus. Okay, there are two methods of factorization. One is factorization by taking out the common factor, second one is factorization by the grouping method. Okay, and next one is factorizing the difference of two squares. Factorizing the difference of two squares. What does it mean? This example I'll give you, like x square minus y square, which can be written as x plus y and x minus y. Okay, factorizing the difference of two squares. Factorizing by taking out the common is, example, suppose 2xy plus x square is an example. Then here I can take x as common. Taking out common is in this way we have to do. Okay, factorizing by the grouping method, we will discuss this in detail at the time of exercise. Okay, this is somewhat long process. Okay, now first one, second one, and third one, and the next one is, we will start the exercise, then after we'll go with the another method, which one is called by factorizing quadratic trinomials. Factorizing quadratic trinomials. So this is first method, second concept, third concept. Okay, so we will start the exercise 1 directly. 17.1, this chapter belongs to the 17. Okay, yeah, first question. Yeah, we'll go to the directly 17.1 exercise without wasting much time with the examples. So the first question is, factorize the following. First question, first question, 2x square plus 6xy. In this I will explain in two methods. Let us go with the first method. 2x square is equal to 2 into x, and 6xy is equal to 2 into 3 into x into y. Okay, here I am just going to encircle the common numbers x and x. Okay, now I am going to take out these two. This is called HCF, highest common factor. HCF 2x. So 2x I am just writing outside, and the leftover term is x. Okay, and between these two terms what symbol is there? Plus, and the leftover second term is 3y. Okay, so the other method is 2x square plus 6xy. Here we can split into 2 into 1 x into x. This we can split 2 into 3. This we can split x into y. Okay, this is also easy. 2 is common, x is common. Okay, the common terms I am just taking out. 2x is out and x is left here in this term. Plus, as it is I am writing, the leftover term is 3y. Okay, this is second method, and that is first method. Any method you can apply. Ultimate, our main target is to get the solution. Okay, so this is the method of finding factorization. Yeah, second question, 6x square y square. First method we will apply 2 into 3 into y into y, 9y square x, 3 into 3 into y into x. Okay, so 3 is a common. Okay, next x is a common. Next, these two y's. Okay, so HCF is what? HCF is 3x y square. Okay, Now I will write 3xy square as common. What is left in first term? 2x. Here minus symbol. What is left in the second term? Only 3. Okay. We will check once. 3 2s are 6. 6x square y square. 3 3s are 9. 9x y square. Okay. This is the method of finding factorization. So third one is simple. Fourth one I will explain. Yeah, here again 12x square y square is equal to, split into the prime factor, 2 into 3 into 2, 6 2s are 12, x into x, y into y, okay, 15x cube y, 3 into 5 into x into x into x into y, okay, 6x to the power of 4, 2 into 3 into x rewrite 4 times, okay, then 3 is common in all the terms, okay, x is common in 1x is common in all the terms, okay, next one more x is common in all the terms. Now shall let us check with the y is not there in the last term, okay, then HCF. What is HCF here? Highest common factor is 3x square. 3x square is the highest common factor. Okay, now I'll take 3x square as common. So what is left in the first term? 2 2s are 4. 4y square. What is left in the second term? 5x y. What is left in the third term? 2x square. Okay, this is called taking out common factor. Yes, fifth problem, sixth problem almost same because decimals are given. So I'll explain you for sixth problem. So 1.2 y cube x square, 2.4 3.6. So we can understand easily 1.2 is common, like 12 twos, 12 ones are 12 twos are 12 threes are, but only the thing is point. Okay, so after few problems we can go with the directly taking out common problem, taking out the factor. So suppose here 1.2, I'm going to try to explain you in this way so that you may understand. So here y cube y square, here it is y, so 1 y can be taken out. 1.2 1 y, because here only 1 y is there, 2 y's are there, 3 y's are there. Here x is not there, here x is there, here x is there, so x will not be taken as common. Okay, so from this 3 minus 1 means y square will be left, x square will be left, minus 1.2 2s are, okay, only 2, 0.2 won't be there, only 2, and y square 1 2 minus 1 1 y we have taken out, so only y will be left, x will be left, x we didn't take as common, so what is left here? 3, y has taken common. Okay, so now this is the answer. Okay, once again I will show you. 1.2 into 2 is how much? 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 1 decimal 1 decimal, so I just took 2 here. So 1.2 into 1.2 into 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, point 1 decimal point 1 decimal point, so this is 3, so I just took directly. Okay, next problem. Seventh problem now. 2x cube y by 3 minus 2x square y square by 3. Okay, simple logic here. Only 1 by 3 we will take as common. Okay, first we will go with the taking out 1 by 3 as common. Now what is left? 2x cube y minus 2x square y square. 1 by 3 will keep it as it is, and inside also we will check what is common. 2 x square will be common. Okay, 2x square is common. 2, okay, x square, and 1 y will be common. So what is left here? We have taken 1 x square, so minus 2. So here inside what term will be left? Only x will be left. Minus x square, 2x square I have taken common. 1 y I have taken common. So 2 minus y. 2 minus 1 means only y will be left. Okay. This is the required answer. So what is the answer? 1 by 3 2x square y by of x minus y. Okay, or we can write 2x square y into x minus y by 3. Okay, yes, next question, 4x cube. Eighth question I just left for you homework. And the ninth question is 4x cube y square by 3 plus 2x cube y by 21 minus 2x square y square. So here now denominator 1. Okay, and yes, 4x cube y square. So now from each term we can check 2x square. Okay, 2x square, 2x square, 2x square. Y here y square and 1 power and 2. So 2x square y will be taken out. Okay, what is left here? 2x square x cube minus 2. So 2x 1 2 will be left, 2x to the power 1 y square, so 2 minus 1 means only y will be left. Okay, by 3 plus here x minus 2, x square is taken out, so only x will be left. Y we have taken already common, by 21 minus what is here, 2x square and 1 y means only y will be left. Okay, that's all the answer. We cannot take any common in denominator because there is no denominator in the third term. This will be the required answer. Okay. Yes, 21x cube by y square, 6x square by y square. I think this is okay. Minus 9x cube. So children, here again 21. These are multiples of 3. Okay. So I can take 3 as common. And x cube, x square, x cube. So I can take x square as common. Okay. By denominators are y square, y. So 1y I can take as common. Okay. So what is left here? 3 sevens are 3 sevens are 21. Here 3x cube and this is square. Minus 2 means only x will be left. And 1y we have taken out, so 1y will be left. Plus as it is. 3 2s are means 2. X square we have taken common. 1y we have taken common. So only 1y will be left. Next minus 3 3s are. 3 how many times in 9? 3s are. So 3 minus 2 means only x will be left. X 3 minus 2 means x square we have taken common. So here y already taken common, so only 1. Okay, that's all the answer. Next last question, 13th one I will explain you, or as 12th question also we will complete. 11th one you try. 5x square by 9y squared z, 5x square by 6y squared z square plus 15x square by 12y square. Okay, yes. Now here 5 multiples are there, 3 multiples are there. Okay, so first let us go with the 5x square. 5x square is in everywhere. 5x square is common and multiples of 3. So 3 we will take first. and here y square, y square, y square. Y square is common. In this term z is not there, so z we will not take. So here 5x square I have taken common, 1 will be left, and denominator 3 3s are 9. Okay, 3 will be left here, 1 z will be left. Okay, minus 5x square taken as common, so 1 will be left. 3 2s are 6 means 2. Y square means we have taken out, so z square will be left. Okay, plus 5 how many times in 15? 3 times. Okay, x square is already out. Next, what is left in the denominator? 3 4s are 12 square. 12. 3 4s are 12. Y square is common. So 3 by 4 is the required answer. Okay, once again, 5x square 1, 5x square 1, 5 3s are correct. So 3 3s are 9, y square z, 3 2s are 6, y square z square, 3 4s are 12, y square. Okay, very simple. Next question, 13th one. 3x square plus 4, 2y square plus 4. It is very simple. Already common terms are given to us. Okay, the leftover is 3x square, 2y square. That's all the answer. You need not to multiply and you need not to segregate them. Okay, this is first bit of the exercise 1. Yeah, two more questions are there in the first bit. 14th one, 15th one, similar to this problem only. There are terms of taking common directly we can do. Okay, we will start the second bit. 14, 15, homework. Okay, now second bit also factorize the following. Okay, the question is 6xy 15x plus 8y minus 20. Okay, children. So here now let us go with the two table. No, here four terms are there. We can split them into two terms. Two terms, like two binomials. So 6xy 15x 8y 20. Okay. So let us grouping the, see, first method I discussed about taking out common. Second method is grouping the terms. Now this is the second bit, grouping method. So now I'll make a group of this and this. Then we will go with the taking out common. So three factors, these two are. So I can go with the 3. Okay. And what is next common? X. 3x is common. What is left here? 2. 3 2s are no. 3 2s are 6. So y. 2y is left. This is 3 5s are. Okay. Minus as it is. What is left here? 5. 3 5s are 15. And x I have taken out. So only 5 will be left. Next here 4 factors we can take directly. 4 is common in both. 4 is common. So 2y minus 5. Okay, so next what is common from these two terms? 2y minus 5. What is left? 3x plus 4. This is called grouping method, factorization. Yes, next one more question, grouping method. So here 10xy plus 5x minus 14y minus 7. Okay, so we can make the group of these two terms and these two terms. See, whenever we have negative, we should not keep directly bracket here. Okay, and now here we will start taking common as 5 2s are 10, 5. These two are multiples of 5. Okay, 5 and the x is also common, 5x. What is left? This is 5 2s are no, so 2 is left and y will be left, plus as it is. And here 5x has taken common. Okay, so here only 1 will be left. Minus now. Okay, if I these two are the multiples of 7. Okay, 7 I can take as common, minus 7 I can take as taken as common. So minus 7. So here 2y will be left. 7 2s are 14. So 2 will be left, and this is 7 2s are 14. So 7 taken out and 2 and y will be left. Minus into minus plus, it is 1. Now from these two terms, what is common? 2y plus 1 is common. What is left here? 5x minus 7. So this is called grouping method of factorization. Yes, three more questions are homework for you children. You solve them. So 15x square minus 10x plus 12x minus 8y. Okay, so now we can make the group of first two terms. These two are multiples of 5, these two are multiples of 4. Okay, and next these two are multiples of 3, these two also multiples of 3. We can make the group of 2. This first group, second group. And here 63, 72, 48, 42. Okay, so making group of first two terms and these third and fourth terms. So this is the, we can go with the 9, and this is 6. 6 8s are 48, 6 7s are 42, 9 6 are 9 8s are. Okay, whatever is convenient for you, take make them as group and take out the common and factorize. Okay children, remaining problems we will continue in the next video. Thank you for watching Mass Teaching Studio.